Um, Mars, can you look at what Earth it has right now? Um, did I just see rings? Yep, I have no idea why Earth had rings. What's going on? I probably sure don't know. One of my two moons, their orbit lines would look like a ring. Especially you don't have one. Probably these orbit lines for the moons make the planets have their own ring. Maybe I'm sure. Where did Earth have this ring from? Why in the world did you get rings? And why is your surface yellow like trash? Let me look at it first. No. Aha, they're trash. Trash? What does this understand? What does that mean? Why is he here? Hi, Rocky Planets. What seems to be the problem here? How are you guys doing in your orbit? We're doing good in our orbits, but somehow we don't even know why Earth had rings. Let me see. Problem. Oh my. I can explain. I'm not sure. Oh no. I guess something's about to happen. Well, if Earth had rings of trash, let me explain. If Earth had rings, the night sky would be very different. If its rings are casting shadows like Saturn. Oh no. Else, if it had rings, it would really potentially changing the appearance of the moon. Because Earth rings because Earth rings they do, and they'd also would significantly impact Earth climate potentially. That means that Earths were gonna be made of rings, but that would tell us that it would be causing colder temperatures. Like gas giants, they have cold temperatures too. Oh no. But can you look at Earth? Why is he trash like that? Because Earthlings, they use trash because maybe they use trash in satellites. Maybe they used it to make a ring. Maybe that's why it causes dirty. The moon won't understand this. But one of your orbit lines for the moons, it's just sure that one of you have rings with your moon's orbit lines, but I don't think that's gonna work. The rings is supposed to be close to the planet. You could see that Phobos and Deimos, they're like not closer, but Phobos is closer to you, but it would enter your roach limit because that's why it will break up to pieces and from one of your moons will form a ring. Oh my. So does this mean Earth's rings were made of trash and satellites? It would possibly, because of Earthlings, they decide Earth would have a ring. So they use that to make him smell badly and have rings. Whoa. Never expected that. If it had rings, Earth's rings will block the sunlight. And no people can't see the sun and get warm weather from it, including the moon. It will probably, or I don't know, because Earth's rings, they block sunlight, but Saturn's rings are temporarily out of the surface of it, so that means you could see the sunlight. But Saturn has thousands of moons. Hundreds of moons, but I don't. But you only have one moon. You have two moons, but you don't have one Venus. And I know you have one because I know some moon was named Neith, but it was captured by Neptune's gravity, so I think that's why you didn't have no moons. What? How did you know my secret moon was Neith? I've heard of it. Haven't you remembered? Oh, I did. Some in the past did. Probably doesn't matter. Well, ask Earth. Earth, why did you have rings? My Earthlings always decided to throw trash all over it. Excuse me, Earth. Throw out this ring. Okay, how do you like it? That's good. Earth, you should never, ever have rings. Because gas giants do have rings. Look at mine. 3 rings? I didn't know you got 3 rings. Oh no, a spaceship is about to land on you, Mars. What spaceship? Oh no, not this again. You got 3 rings? I got 3 rings. Yep. Saturn has a lot. He's the moon king, you know. But some of all other exoplanets, they usually do have moons, or I don't know. Wow. I landed on Mars. I see the 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. But where's Phobos actually? Phobos is right there. You know. There's Deimos. Oh, yep, I see Deimos. Earthling, let's go check out the surface, you know. Yep. What's this? Mars? This is Mars. I probably should land back. Okay, Venus is gone and the rocket's on. I'm usually... Oh, my moon. Well, Io is this. This is Io. Hello? Oh my god, Earth, you're so trash again. Oh, not this time. I'm exactly turning to. Oh no, what's wrong with your Earthlings? I'll solve this out. Who's coming? Someone's shaking, you know. Uh-oh, I think it's about to be the solar flare.
What is going on? He's our friend now, right?
Well, I think that was it. Anyways, bye.
Projects today. Previously on